Hi Healthies, welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Zones. I hope you are doing well. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel, hit a bell icon and never miss an updates. A balanced diet and regular exercise can help you lose weight effectively. There is no miracle drink that can make you lose weight, but there are some drinks that can support you in your efforts. Here are 5 healthy drinks that might get you started on your weight loss journey. Number 1. Herbal Detox Tea. Your weight loss journey might get off to a good start by consuming a cup of herbal detox tea in the morning. These herbal teas, which include dandelion, ginger, and licorice root, help the body cleanse and promote weight loss. Natural diuretics like dandelion root and ginger can relieve bloating and water retention, while licorice root can help you feel fuller for longer. Herbal detox tea is a great beverage to start your day with because it can improve digestion and metabolism. Number 2. Lemon water. A refreshing and healthful way to start the day is with lemon water. Lemons include pectin, a form of fiber that can help control your hunger, and they are high in vitamin C, which can help to speed up your metabolism. Drinking lemon water in the morning might help with indigestion and remove toxins from the body. Number 3. Green tea. Catechins and caffeine found in green tea have been shown to speed up metabolism. Caffeine may boost your total calorie burn and help in fat loss. In addition, a small study found that overweight and obese people drank green tea combined with 150 milligrams of caffeine daily for 3 months. This was related to increased weight reduction and fat loss. Additionally, the weight gain was reduced as a result of this. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a well-known substance for weight loss because it can help to reduce hunger and speed up metabolism. Your body can become more alkaline and minimize bloating by consuming apple cider vinegar in the morning with water, honey, and lemon juice. A component of apple cider vinegar called acetic acid can help with weight loss by breaking down lipids. Blood sugar levels may be lowered as a result, which may reduce the craving for sweet meals. Number 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice with anti-inflammatory qualities that can aid in weight loss by lowering body inflammation. Reducing inflammation can help you in losing weight because it can be a factor in weight gain. A wonderful and healthy drink to start your day with is made by combining turmeric powder with warm water and a little honey or lemon. Digestion, metabolism, and bloating can all be improved by drinking turmeric water. If you find this useful, give a thumbs up and share this to your friends who need this, and many useful videos are on the way, so stay tuned.